In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw BNB beacon chain from Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet and locate your BNB that's specifically on the beacon chain, labeled BNB BEP2. This is different from BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20, so make sure you're on the token with the BEP2 tag. If you hold both versions, double check the logo and network label to avoid sending on the wrong chain. Next, start the transfer by tapping Send on the BNB BEP2 asset screen. This opens the send form for the beacon chain. In the recipient field, paste the destination address you've copied. It should be a BEP2 compatible address supported by the place you're sending to. If you're withdrawing to an exchange, grab the deposit address from the exchange's BNB beacon chain deposit page and confirm it matches the BEP2 network. If you're sending to a personal wallet, verify that wallet supports BNB on the beacon chain, not just Smart Chain. Below that, you'll see the memo, sometimes called a tag. Many exchanges require a memo for BEP2 deposits to route your funds correctly within your account. If the deposit instructions show a memo, paste it exactly as given. Leaving it out or entering it incorrectly can lead to irreversible loss of funds. If the recipient is a self-custody wallet that doesn't specify a memo, you can usually leave this blank, but only if the destination explicitly says so. Now choose the amount you want to send. You'll also see the network fee in BNB BP2. Keep a small balance for the fee or use the max option if available and let Trust Wallet calculate what can be sent after fees. Take a moment to ensure the amount aligns with any minimum set by your recipient. Before you finalize, carefully review everything on the confirmation screen, the recipient address, the memo if one is required, the token and network label showing BNB BEP2, and the estimated fee. When you're confident it's correct, tap Send and complete any device security prompts. The transaction will broadcast to the beacon chain and typically confirms quickly. You can view its status from the transaction details and share the hash with support if you ever need help. If this is your first time withdrawing to this destination, consider starting with a small test amount to confirm the address and memo are recognized properly. Once it arrives, you can repeat the same process for the full amount with confidence.